New at 10, a warning from Alabama Marine Patrol as many of you head out to the lake this summer.
Whether you kicked off the summer fun this weekend or maybe have a lake trip planned in the next couple of weeks, law enforcement wants to make sure you know all those local laws, and they're a little bit different before you hit the water. Brittany Dion is with us tonight with the message they want you to hear as we're wrapping up this holiday weekend. Brittany.
Well, that's right, Jonathan. Catherine, Marine Patrol tells me things have gone pretty smoothly this holiday weekend, and as the unofficial start of summer begins, even with an influx of folks heading out onto the water. But they also want to warn people about knowing local laws, so you aren't surprised when you see those red and blue lights pull up.
There's so many things that our officers are looking for on the water.
Corporal Robert Ping has been a state trooper with the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency for 15 years. He's been a part of the Marine Patrol Division for the last 5. He's seen it all and can see it all.
We've got big binoculars that we keep in the boat, and that bring us a lot closer than we may appear from the other side of the lake.
Keeping a watchful eye for irresponsible boaters.
Everybody on board has got a PFD or a life vest on. We need to make sure that they're not out here being careless.
And depending on the body of water you're on, they're also looking for alcohol.
A dry lake means that there is absolutely no alcohol allowed on the water whatsoever.
If you're caught with it,
we're not going to take somebody to jail for that. They will get a ticket written to them for being in possession of alcohol on a dry lake, and they'll have a court date set where they'll have to go to court on that.
Ping spoke to us about Weiss Lake in Cherokee County, where alcohol is strictly prohibited. He says ignorance to the law is not an excuse.
Well, we do run into that, especially on Weiss Lake, because it's close to Georgia, so we get a lot of out-of-town traffic on that lake.
He says your best bet is to do your research, because there are other lakes in Alabama that do not allow alcohol.
Alabama's got 67 counties in it, and I believe 25 of the counties are dry counties. So if somebody wants to know, they can look up that information on the internet. And if they're going to go on a body of water that's in a dry county, the water's going to be dry as well.
Now, to help expedite your research, we posted a link to Alabama's wet and dry counties on WBRC News app, along with other helpful tips from boaters or for boaters from Aaliyah. Back